Hey everyone, it's Mark with MainWP. Today I want to talk to you about Advanced Access Manager, or AAM, as they like to call it. AAM is a security and performance first plugin for management of your users and access. I'm looking at the front website right now, and AAM just recently released an integration for MainWP. And I wanted to cover a little bit about what it does, how it works, and then I'm going to walk through the installation of it for you. So as you can see here, one of the things that I really like about AAM is the fact that they put it as a security first plugin. So the way that they approach things is that access is security and that you need to take it seriously. But beyond that, they're very highly focused on scalability. So they want to build everything to scale and they make it performance based first. I recently interviewed Vaz, and that interview is available on YouTube. You'll be able to see that he has a lot of experience. He started programming at a young age, and he started at the assembly level. So he's very well experienced and he knows how to make things so that they perform well. One of the things that you may have noticed with some other membership type plugins is that as you get more members, the site slows down. So he focuses really heavily on that. And like I said, the security. Using the guidelines that OWASP sets out for their main issues that they find with security, he creates a score that allows you to see where your site scores. And so with the AAM integration with MainWP, you can see all of that from your main dashboard. You can install everything from your main dashboard and you can manage it all from your main dashboard. So let's go ahead and get a little bit into that. Now, the Advanced Access Manager is available. It's a free plugin that's available on the WordPress repository. You can either download it directly from the repository or you can install it directly from your MainWP dashboard. Now, in order to get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is install the AAM plugin from your WordPress dashboard of all your child sites. Next, we have the AAM extension that works for MainWP, and this is the integration that we talked about. And what that does is that will show you your security score on your MainWP dashboard. I know that he has plans to integrate more in the future, but this is the first release, and so it's pretty cool just to be able to do that. And then the OWASP, I just wanted to show you this really quick, which just shows you what the top 10 issues are that OWASP finds with current websites as far as security goes. Now, they do their report once every 4 years, and so as you can see, we have 2021 here was the last time they did it, and the 2025 report is coming out soon. As we discussed in our interview, Vaz thinks that it will be largely the same, although there may be some AI issues that show up in the 2025 report. So that'll be interesting to see. So let's go ahead and get started with the demo of how to do the installation. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, I'm going to go right here to the dashboard, and you can see that I've got 10 wonderful sites here that are all set up, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna install plugins to these sites. So I'm gonna click on install plugins, and I'm gonna select all, and what you're going to want to do on all of the child sites is you're going to want to install the AAM plugin, and you can do that straight from the wordpress.org repository. So we're going to search plugins and we're going to type in AAM. The first thing that shows up is the Advanced Access Manager, restricted content, users and roles, enhanced security, and more. And I'm going to go ahead and click install plugin, and then I want to make this an important step, select all of my sites, and then I'm also activating after installation and overwriting existing version. So I'm going to head and complete the installation. It's going to go ahead and install the AAM plugin on all of the sites. And now that it's all installed, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add the AAM extension to my MainWP dashboard. So I will do that by going to add-ons, and I'm going to click install add-ons. And then I'm going to do a search for AAM. And here's the AAM extension from MainWP. And as you can see, it is also on .org, so you can get it directly from the repository and upload it. But I'm going to do it directly from the MainWP dashboard here. I'm going to install it. And now you can see that it's installed. So with the AAM extension for MainWP installed, we can now check to see what our issues might be. So I'm going to go to the Sites page, and you'll see that there's an overview, but you may not see a heading for AAM security issues. So I'm going to go to the page settings, and I'm going to scroll down to where the AAM issues are, and I'm going to turn that on, and this will activate the column for your site's overview. Then I'll save my settings. So let's pick the Magic Muffin Bakery. If I go ahead and click here, and you can scroll down, and you can see here that we have an AAM security score of 56. This is also on the individual site. You can check the page settings and make sure that the AAM widget is enabled. And then I can also run my report, and it's going to show me what my issues are on that site. And as you can see, we've got a few roles issues and elevated issues that you might want to take a look at. And it really is that simple. So hopefully this will give you a good overview of how the AAM extension for MainWP works. I know that there are big changes and plans in the future for the AAM extension. I hope that you found this video useful. Thank you very much. Have a great day.